temperatures here at Wembley Stadium today. Extremely hot and sticky, although the modern football... And with regard to the lineups today, Steve, the first thing you see is that change of shape for Chelsea, the Maurizio Sarri way.
Yeah, he wants to go
past in the blink of an eye with the World Cup that captured the nation, and here we are, 78 days after Chelsea lifted the FA Cup. Quickly in there, though, for Manchester City was Stones. And Leroy Sané, noticeable, though, Steve, that there was a barnstorming run made outside him again by Mendy.
Yeah, that's what he gives you, Mendy.
Now Bernardo Silva, and he has options here. Both Riyad Mahrez and Sergio Aguero were in there. It was Aguero trying to make the run to get on the end of the cross. Kyle Walker-Riyad Mahrez partnership. Here's Mahrez again, and now Aguero. And he comes into the game today on 199 goals for Manchester City, Sergio Aguero, but he works. Here's Phil Foden. Riyad Mahrez and Aguero, the options. It's Aguero! And he scores his 200th goal in a Manchester City shirt. But Pep Guardiola will be so pleased by the part that young Phil Foden played in the Manchester City goal. It's City 1, Chelsea 0.
Yeah, it was a really easy goal, wasn't it? Good run by Mahrez.
There's more defending, though, for Chelsea to do with Aguero running through. And he's going to try one. You've got players raining forward here. One of them is Leroy Sané. It was a heavy touch. And they should really have been punished there, Chelsea, for more sloppy play.
Yeah, that was Jorginho that time, and the goalkeeper did really well, actually.
The ball to Fabregas. Now, what can Chelsea do here? Here's Alvaro Morata. And you could see the intention there, but he couldn't quite whip it round far enough. And that will signal the first... Here's Pedro. And now Hudson-Odoi. He's going to try it this time. And he had the confidence to step inside and hit one. And it was a decent strike, wasn't it, from the 17-year-old?
Yeah, and you don't mind him.
Here's Hudson-Odoi. Elects to come inside again, but it's opened up for him this time. It's spilt by Claudio Bravo and then cleared away by John Stones. Well, he saw the invitation there, Hudson-Odoi, and was happy to take it. And Morata chasing this, and he's misjudged it there, Claudio Bravo. Well, City fans have seen that before.
It's a strange one, wasn't it?
For Manchester City, and he's going to have a run at David Luiz, and still Aguero.
A tentative shot, wasn't it? Jorginho giving the ball away, but Pedro didn't do him any favours whatsoever, to be very honest. Him and Fab is onside.
He's onside, he's in Aguero. Goalkeeper to beat, round him he goes, and still, and he hits the side netting. Well, you don't say that very often. That is an absolute collector's item from Sergio Aguero.
Yeah, they're quick to play.
There's Aguero threatening again. Rudiger's gone across there for Chelsea. This time there is support. It's Foden. And the save made by Caballero.
It's just a simple run again, isn't it, by Aguero when he...
Bernardo Silva screaming for it, and they found him as well. And they've got men over. And here's Aguero! And that's a brilliant goal by Manchester City. It was simple, it was quick, it was effective, and it was sharp. And Aguero was on the end of it to finish it off. City 2, Chelsea 0.
Beautiful goal. Beautiful. Great run
challenge in there by Laporte, wasn't it?
Great run by him.
Now Pedro on his left foot.
To get that chance, though, from Williams' run, Fletch, they get the Manchester City defenders running backwards after clear.
Gets on the ball again, the young Englishman. Now Mahrez can hit them from there.
Had to take it on with his left foot, didn't he? It's his strongest foot.
It was Bernardo Silva, now Walker. And then hitting one was Aguero. Well, he struck that so sweetly on the volley. Caballero was down smartly for Chelsea. Here's Diaz. And still, and side netting.
Really good play until the shot.
For Manchester City. Mendy on the overlap. Still Diaz. It's opened up for him again.
So Diaz can get the shot away. Simple enough save for Caballero.
Every day I got some fly shit on, keep an all black outfit on. I already bagged most of the chicks that you out here trying to get on. You just catching up to what I've been on. Yeah, that's what I've been on.
I see what you're trying to do, that's not even kinda new. That's that shit I've been on.